Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the cobblestone stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the cobblestone stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. This stitch is going to be made up of one row that you will repeat for however long you want your project. I will show you how to make that one row on the row that I am currently working. You're going to start your row by making one chain on your hook. You would skip this step if you're working into chains for your first row. Into this first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet all together. If you're working into chains, you would work this single, half double, and double into the second chain from your hook. You would now skip 2 stitches or chains if you're working into chains. You're going to work into the next one working a single crochet, a half double crochet into that same stitch or chain, and a double crochet into that same stitch or chain. Skip 2 stitches or chains. Work into the next one, working a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all together. Skip 2 stitches or chains, work into the next one, working a single, half double, and double. Skip 2 stitches or chains, work into the next one, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Skip 2 stitches or chains, work into the next one working a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all together. Skip 2 stitches or chains, work into the next one, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all into 1 stitch or chain. Skip 2 stitches or chains, work into the next one, working a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches or chains. You're going to be working into this last stitch or chain on your row, working a single crochet, a half double, and a double all together in that same stitch or chain. You can see what that row is looking like. And you can see the first row that I made into my chains matches the same row. And that is going to be how to make the crochet cobblestone stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.